An explosion has taken place in occupied Crimea, destroying the Russian S-400 Triumf air defense system. This is reported by the Main Directorate of Intelligence of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine. The agency said that the explosion destroyed the launcher along with missiles and personnel. The strike on the S-400 Triumf was carried out on the 23rd of August 2023 at around 3 o'clock EDT or 0 o'clock PDT. What is interesting is that the surface-to-air missile system was unable to cope with the drone, which managed to capture the explosion on video. The export value of the S-400 Triumf division, which consists of 4 vehicles, exceeds $1 billion. The surface-to-air missile system can shoot down aircraft, helicopters, drones, and missiles at a range of up to 400 km. The high-altitude range is 35 kilometers. The radar station, which is part of the complex, has a range of 600 kilometers.